Sup, yo, what's up? Merry Christmas if you celebrate, coming in 10 days from now. And today I'm gonna teach you how to use YouTube. Some time ago when I was starting YouTube channel, mate Waza, rest in peace mate, he make a video how to watch his YouTube video. At this time I didn't know as he was sick and he gonna go away. I'm not sick, I hope so. I'm not gonna, but my views dropped drastically. Don't know why. Probably because I changed region and I lose 1,000 subscribers, but I have still 31,000 subscribers. But the views, if I make a full frame video, reach 200, 300 views, which is really pretty sad score. So I decide today I show you how to use my YouTube, because I believe YouTube don't recommend my videos to 99% of my subscribers. I know some of you, they are just simply not interested. Some of you are already not with us anymore. I totally understand, but come on, 31.3 thousand subscribers and only 300 users. So what's happened with 31,000 subscribers? They were organic. So, and I know also from many of you as you're not getting a notification. So on this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use YouTube. And also there are so many new functions around. And also I will show you on the TV and later on the iPad, which of course, if you have a phone will be the same, but TV and the tablet is usually different. Alright, so as you can see, that's my TV. I will maybe zoom it up. No, I will keep it like this. I think you can see that properly. Like this one. Alright, I'm just watching some Christmas music. That's okay, doesn't matter. So you're going to the search engine, search, and then you can type TheMonkeys. So like this one, I'm already logging on my own, so doesn't matter. And of course, there is the band, TheMonkeys. However, it's different a little bit because it's and our YouTube channel is this one. Also, I make a little bit change. As you can see, originally is TheMonkeys, 31.3 thousand subscribers. However, I add additionally travel and life to make it a little bit differentiate, but also it's actually kind of true. So I will zoom it like this one. Hold on. All right. So anyways, you have our YouTube channel. And then you have a description, blah blah blah, everything. This is my mate Mick Everett, still make it, didn't change it. And then you have a previous videos. Okay, actually Christmas market in Wrocław got 1.4 thousand views in 12 days, but I believe there are many new people actually from Poland. And then you have so many our videos, right? Videos, recent videos here and everything. Here for you, that's recommendation from the YouTube. Then there are videos one by one how we upload. There was the Albania 2 months ago, and then we were in Poland, Sopot, Łódź. We were in Italy, actually in Rome 5 months ago, and Croatia, and so on and so on and so on. Right, down there you have a shorts. This is something what is very easy to watch on YouTube. On the phone especially, because it's like Instagram, and most of those videos I upload nowadays every single day, literally since 3 weeks, every single day, as you can see. And those videos actually reach regularly 1,000-2,000 views, some of them even more. So let's say this one with Winnie, for example, she making the morning coffee, like this one. So it's like when you watch on the phone, it's perfect, and it's usually just few minutes long. Few seconds long, because the shortest have only 6 seconds and the longest have like a 1 minute or 2 minutes. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. This one is like a Winnie actually making coffee for us. We just film regular life, whatever we have, because on our Instagram we are very active, so those kind of products, kind of videos are always on our Instagram. But many of you who don't watching Instagram, you can find almost the same stuff on YouTube Shorts, maybe a little bit less because I'm focusing on the videos by this one. And then you have this one, you can just simply scroll up and down if you're watching on TV, right? And there are so many. This one is from the spa. Previous was our life. I have a copyright music actually. This is how's the Winnie actually cooking something, and so this one is Santa Claus came. The Winnie shoot. Rosiska. Co to je? That's the tradition in Poland, by the way. At 6 December, the Santa Claus is bringing the chocolate to the shush or under the pillow for the smaller kids. And Winnie just second year experienced this. So I try to surprise her always. I go sleep at 2 a.m. so she didn't notice that. Anyways, you can see many stuff. Sorry, my internet here actually is slow today, but generally you can find. Anyways, that's the YouTube Shorts. This is very important because as you can see, I'm uploading every day. Previously, I record only casually. However, this video, Quokka from Australia, I made it in Rottnest Island. And I don't know actually if you can see how much views I got here. But yeah, it's got 3,000 views actually. It was uploaded 2007 November. So little bit different. I know I have views from Bali and Indonesia. Bali, mostly from Bali, actually from Indonesia not much, but from Bali and Australia the most. Maybe actually from Malaysia is the most. Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Australia. Bali, of course, is number one, but Australia actually performance was so to be honest. And then you have an older one, right? So here you have older videos. We used to make a Macanchantic for Winnie, but this was postponed. Maybe we're gonna make it in Europe, and the live streams. Of course, they have a past live streams, what you can watch it. What I didn't delayed because I had to delay because of the copyright. That's been the music. And then you have a created playlists, right? So the playlist here, I have everything. Most of the videos are separated: Croatia, Germany, Shorts, Europe. I was in States, only one video, Canada, Poland. I have from Australia 8 videos, perhaps. Actually, the videos, first video 7.8, 10,000, 19,000 actually in Australia. Some I'm coming back to the 6, 10, 7. Last one was actually in the desert 3 only. And this one, when I asked for help in Australia, was 6. Anyway, so you have a playlist, the Monkeys to 0. That was when we were in Asia actually. Singapore, Malaysia. Actually, Malaysia 25k for this video, but usually it was like this one. Some of them better, some of them less. 62k for this one actually. But 3.5, for example, when we leave to Thailand, right? So yeah, stuff like this one. So you have a playlist for that. There is the podcast. There is special for Thailand, special for Jakarta, Malaysia. I have 60 videos from Malaysia actually. So I've been there so many times. Pretty good performance. Vietnam, 19 videos. Vietnam videos actually performance is probably the best, to be honest, on my YouTube, except Bali. Because first video 10, 131,000 for the Saigon. 25k, 16k, 18k, 8k, 21, 11, 21, 9, 5, 7. That was later. But this one is 72, 18, 9, 11. So that was pretty cool. Then Singapore. In Singapore, I have 33 videos actually. Also pretty good performance. 31, 14, 13, 93. Actually, didn't even realize. Maybe because of the thumbnail. Anyways, so it's pretty cool. And daily vlog. Look at this one. Daily vlog. 1,253 videos. That's pretty impressive, actually. And look at this beautiful thumbnail. I make it in the East Nusa Tenggara, actually, where we go to Komodo Island. That was the second video on the YouTube channel, or first. And then when you got to the daily vlog, I started my daily vlog 5 years ago, when it starts, daily vlog introduction. And then I was in the Denpasar. Actually, at this time, it was the Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys. Hold on, I will show you. Yeah, I walking this one. I show you this video. Look at how young. I have to tell you something. How young I was. 7 June 2020, I start daily vlogs. And since that day, I was doing every single day. Mrs. and Mrs. Monkeys was the name. Yeah, so there's so many. My very first videos, unfortunately, that was the not the best time. And there's generally 1.2 thousand videos. This is just unbelievable. So you can always watch it. This will be great memory. I have a 1.6 thousand videos on YouTube channel generally. There's already 284 videos from Poland. I think some of them 14 videos from Canada also. I think I generally didn't put all of them into playlists sometimes, so there are some random videos also. Like shorts perhaps I never put inside. I just make it one. So, and there is Miss in Albania, I just realized. So anyways, as you can see, so many videos. And then of course I'm watching different YouTube channels also as well. Yeah, once you click it later, you will get more recommendations, right? So let's say get to the YouTube channel. I'll show you also the new features. So let's say the video. Also, it's funny, like in Croatia, we travel, show you something new, it's only 899 views. But like in Poland, one video got 4,000 views. In Albania, like this one, in Poland, you know, it's all depends. Sometimes algorithm of YouTube playing jokes, you know. Like I start traveling around Europe for business, that was different. Yeah, anyways. Let's say the recent video 4 days ago, 348 views, pretty disappointing actually. But it's not about this one, this is disappointing. And then you have ads, of course. If you watch ads, it's very good for me because I still get a few dollars a month from this one. Thanks to that, I could survive actually during the tough times in Bali. Unfortunately, the YouTube channel didn't go as I expected, but this is not the video about. And then you have a Winnie here with this video in Poznan. So you can watch it, right? When you click it, you know, I don't know what TV you have it, but then you see it in the menu in general. The menu is changed completely. First of all, you have options with likes, right? So I really recommend you and highly appreciate if you like it, you just press it and it's liked already, right? Then you have a comments. On this video I got 8 comments. So it's always good. I always answering your comments nowadays. I know in Bali sometimes when I have a 200 comments I didn't answer all, but generally I always try my best. And then you have options also with super thanks. So that's one is coming to, you know, you have to do it on the what is it called, on your phone, and then you can buy as the gift. This is like already since 2 years or 3 years on YouTube. I think 3 years. You can always support us with this. Then you have a captions. So if you click it, you have automatically translation into English. But actually it's pretty accurate nowadays. It wasn't like that when I was starting my YouTube channel. Now it's pretty good. The captions working pretty well, I have to say. So you can have it, and then you have a settings, right? In the settings, of course, you can choose the quality. My internet here is not so best nowadays. I don't know what's happened. I'm working, I think I have a problem with the router, but it's okay. And of course, if you wanna watch in the highest position, highest quality as possible, and your internet is fast enough, most of you have it, so it's the best this one. I always upload the video in 4K resolution, which is 22,160 pixels per the same. So it's like the really highest quality. So 1 minute of this video contain 1 GB of data on my camera. So it's pretty solid, but you can really watch it. Most of the YouTubers doing this one to save memory and time of upload. I never save on it. All of my 1000 videos, 1.5, 1.6 thousand videos are recorded in full K, 4K on the highest resolution as possible. So I really appreciate. If you notice that captions, of course you can, and also you can make it auto translated to your country where you from. Let's say try, I don't know, I try Indonesian perhaps, auto translated, and as you can see down there, they actually translated into Indonesian captions. So it's very interesting also. You can have it like this one. right? I will zoom it back to this one, right? Then so you have a captions, I will click it into English, come back, then you have a volume, speed, audio track, and now again. Now, since really not so long ago, there is the dubbing, which is like a lector, which is like if you press, let's say, okay, now I'm not gonna make it Indonesian, I will change it into, I don't know, Spanish perhaps, right? So the video will loud, and then I will speak Spanish on your video. So let's see if Winnie speaks Spanish. Actually, nobody talk right now.
Y luego al lado está la pista de hielo. Pista de hielo. Entonces la gente ya está patinando por ahí a solo unos pocos. En realidad es lunes, tienen que decir que es.
Sí, I speak Spanish on it.
Todavía no hay mucha gente, pero en general.
You can change into Indonesian. And I speak Indonesian right now, you see? So, or Hindi. Perhaps. So I can speak different languages, many of them. And as you can see, actually you have Dutch. Also, I will press Dutch right now.
Daar is het stadhuis. De sterren, eigenlijk staat daar op het Vrijheidsplein. Waar is dit? Heel erg. Dus het is eigenlijk op loopafstand.
See, so you can watch videos in many different languages. Polish also included, Portuguese, Spanish, Ukrainian, Malayalam, Japanese, Italian, Indonesian, Hindi, German, French, English was original, and Dutch. I changed into English original, right? And of course you can option with repeating feedbacks and stuff like this. So it's pretty cool features nowadays on YouTube. And I think so most of you don't know actually about this one. About the lector, for example, as you can speak different languages, I can speak and you can listen. I learned from my brother because he said, "As why you speak weird Polish language?" I said, "That's not me, that's the lector probably, but how did you find this out?" He told me first of all, I actually was surprised what's going on. Because I must miss it when YouTube sent me the video about this one, you know, like YouTube must notice me about this one, but I just didn't realize. But it was 2 months ago, literally, or maybe 5-6 weeks ago, actually. So there's so many features there. Yeah. So you can obviously watch with captions. That's the easiest one. And if you wanna listen into your language, if you are not speaking English, you can change it into settings. So you press, you go into likes on the way, of course, and then here settings, and then audio track, right? And then quality also, very important. So basically, that's how does it look like. I have so many videos in regular views, like this one 348 views, this suddenly 1.4, this one 348, it's also the same, I don't know why. This one 339, seems like the same amount of people watching every single video, 339, 327, 417, but then it's 900, then it's 400, then it's 500, there's 800, there's 500, and then it's suddenly like few Ks, so, you know. Anyways, wanted to show you how does it look like, and highly recommended to watch actually the my YouTube shorts. They are every day at 4 p.m. Bali time, 9 a.m. Poland time. That's in Western Australia is 4 p.m. In Sydney, I think it's 7:30 p.m. or something like that. And obviously in America, in Los Angeles, will be 9 p.m. if it's 9 a.m. in Poland. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my Christmas tree. Little Christmas tree here. Alright guys, so I hope so that was actually pretty handy for you. Let me know comment section if you actually knew about this stuff and you're gonna use it, some of them. I just wanted to make this tutorial. I know most of you don't know, some of you must know, but there's a lot of hidden features actually on this one. Also, quickly, I'm gonna show you on the iPad. Actually, I nearly forgot. Hold on. So then you have an iPad or any other tablet, but I have an iPad actually, usually based on the Apple products. You're going into YouTube, obviously. If you have a premium, then you don't watch it, but I don't have it. I'm the creator, so of course I don't have it. Also, like this guy watching in Thailand a long time ago, but he never mentioned about anybody, so it doesn't matter. Then you go into TheMonkeys, obviously, right? And you have basically everything the same, just in the format. But if you, let's say, go into this one, right, the shorts, and you move your iPad that way, then you have it on the big screen, obviously, right? And if you have like this one, it's like on the TV, right? And obviously, yeah, also you have to like it. Here is the options to like it. I really appreciate that small things, but this really help a lot. Also, you can share this one, obviously. And then I'm gonna go to the big format video. Let's say this one. Of course, it's gonna be the ad. You can skip it if you need to, but nowadays also it's difficult with skipping the ads actually. So actually helping the creators. I heard the creators make now a little bit more than a long time ago. And then you have a proper video. Here you have a recommended other videos. Obviously you can scroll and the other creators in this one. So the like is very important. You press like and then hype this video after you like it. That's my brother also told me what is this hype. I hype every time. Is it help something? I don't know, but you have a hype 800 points. You have an option here and I just hype and now it's 1.6 thousand, but probably I'm the only one person who hyped this. And what does it actually mean? Honestly, I don't know. Now you have a comment section actually, but anyway, you have a hype and you can hype. You can hype only once. Oh no, you can hype actually more times. I just realized that video is hype already 200 times. How about if I hype again? Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I can hype. Actually, I don't know what does it helping, but you can hype many times. Either ways, if you have time, you're doing something, you can do it. Not sure actually how does it work, but it's the option. And of course, you have a share, download clip, thanks. That's the hyper thanks. So like I said, you press this one, thanks, then you have a gifts here. When I was in Bali, some of you used to do it sometimes. Here you have a few options, or you can choose the custom and then you just pay by the Apple Pay or Google Pay or debit or credit or whatever. And of course, in the description of the video, you have here description of the video, you have what I'm writing, and then you have a tax. Also you can support us on our Buy Me a Coffee, become the member, which you get a special emoji. That's our email if you want to text me or something, and also the address to the Instagram. So you have many interesting stuff here. So yeah, all of the links even work. Let's say try by Chrome. And the website still working. In the good times I got some of your support, but last time was, I don't know when actually, but it was some time ago. Some people used to help us quite a lot, especially when we really need your help. So I really do appreciate that, obviously, and always will do. So that's how does it look like. Of course, you can make it full screen pressing by this button, but I think that's actually everybody should know probably on the phone. It's more about the features here on the iPad, right? All right. I don't know what does it mean, this hype. You cannot. You can hype 3 times a week only. So I hype already everything on my video. I hope so I'm gonna get more views on this. Yeah, this is it. So this video probably not for everybody, however, less than 100 views. I don't think so I'm gonna get. This is the stuff on the YouTube is that it's not about my video it sucks or something. I know it's a little bit different interest, of course, than most of our subscribers. I totally understand that. But I know as if some amount of views going pretty bad for such a longer while, let's say I upload 10, 20, 50 videos and all of them perform well, less people, the YouTube is cutting off the views automatically. Means like most of my first videos in Poland when come back was reaching around 2,000 views. When Winnie used to make a videos was also approximately 2,000 views. Then was little bit gap between the videos, and then the YouTube start making them about 500, 600, 700 until 1K. And since some time now YouTube is pushing this automatically to approximately 350 views. It will be different if one video have 200, one video 300, and over 1,000, and over 5,000, and over 10,000, and over, I don't know, different amounts. But as you saw, literally every single video is getting pretty similar amount of views, and quality is not decreased in any house, using actually even better phone, better camera right now when I'm filming. It's also always in the 4K resolution. It's just okay. I know the location and the content of the content. Generally, what I'm making is not for everybody, but I know also from many other people, as YouTube is often cutting it. Like most of you, most likely just simply not getting notifications anymore. I also know it because, let's say, like what you saw previously, the Canadian guy make a video after some time. I just found this accidentally. It was already 6 days. I didn't got any notifications, but I used to like to watch him. So that's how does it look like. All right, guys, that's pretty long video. Probably nobody stay until the end of this video, considering how many views I'm getting. However, if you do so and you found this video informative and interesting, let me know. I will really appreciate. And you can always follow us on Instagram for the little chat. See ya, take care.